this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi, and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. It's a really simple thank you card. So let me show you what I did. The stamp set I'm using is this one called Ornate Thanks, and we're going to be using the thank you. And we're going to be, I've got everything in my Stampin', so we're going to be stamping with whatever you call this ink, Bermuda Bay. Sorry, it's been a long week, and this is a Friday. It's the Friday before Christmas, and that I'm filming this. And it's been a long week. There you go. There's your thank you. So let's clean it up as we go along, as I always do, because otherwise you just get mess everywhere, and that's not my style. So let's get rid of this, pop that there, close up the ink pad before I drop anything in it, and we'll get to building our card. So here's my card base. It's basic black. It's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And the paper I'm using today is Ombre something, Bermuda Bay. I don't know what its proper name is, but it's got this lovely ombre effect. And this is one of the free pads you can get in Celebration. Now, Celebration is one of the greatest times of the Stampin' Up! Year. For every £45 you spend in the Stampin' Up! Catalogue, either the annual catalogue or the mini catalogue, you can choose a free item from the Celebration one. And this is one of your free items. So, isn't it lovely? I'm using it a few times in projects this month. So we have that, and then we have our sentiment here that we stamped on the strip of Whisper White. And then we're just going to mat it onto a little piece of basic black like this. Okay, and then we're going to pop this up with dimensionals. So let's do that now. Lots of yucky backings to take off, but hey ho, and on to backings we will go. And as you can see, I always give it a little bit of a press down, because you know, any double-sided tape, foam tape, it's all pressure adhesive, and the more of a push you give it, the more chance it's going to take. Even with wet glue, if you hold it in place, it'll then grab more easily if it's held tightly in place. Oh, get rid of all these backings. I hate backings, as you know, they just get everywhere. So pleased the Hoover can find them all, because I can't. Okay, and we're just going to stick this down somewhere in the centre. If we're lucky, we'll be straight, and we're not lucky yet. Okay, yeah, looks good to me. So these are our gold glitter dots, and we're gonna, ooh, can't get my pokey tool out. This is my pokey tool, and we're gonna put some of these randomly, or as random as you can be, across the background. I'm sort of sitting them in these little bubbles, and I tend to go for uneven numbers, so I'm mostly going to go for 5 here. Whoops, haven't got the, didn't get the glue with that one. Where else should we put one? Where do you think? Okay, yeah, I'll put one there. Okay, so there we go. Those are the 2 thank you cards you've made. What do you think? Love it? Hate it? Let me know. If you did enjoy the project, I would be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, dimensions, supply list, links to my online shop, all that good stuff, it'll be in the description box alongside my social media links. That includes the links to my Facebook group, where I host an online monthly car club where we craft together once a month via Facebook Live. So please do check that out. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.